I don't know if you can see it, but a bird built a nest on our wreath outside our door. I don't want to get too close. I might startle it and fly away, but it's there. Can you see it? You see its head sticking out? Yeah, there it is. That's the bird who built a nest on our wreath. See, this is our wreath. I wonder how close I can get before he gets startled. I don't want to get too close. He'll get startled and fly away. There's the bird who lives on our door. I don't know if it's a female or male, but that bird built a nest on our wreath on our door, and now he lives there, or she lives there. See that? That's the bird who lives in the nest on our door. Okay, it's feeding time. Can't get too close. Might fly away because it's dinner time. See? Oh, he flew away. Well, as you can see, the nest is empty now. The baby birds have learned how to fly, and they're off in the world. So literally it is now an empty nest. As you can see, we have new babies on the way in a few weeks.
The next day.
It's the next day, and guess what? Now there's 3 eggs. 3 little eggs. 3 little birds. Oh no, look at this. Something happened to the nest. It got blown off, or something happened. The nest is gone. The eggs ended up down here. That's one. That's another one, and then that's another one. No. Well, we're back at Costco. I come here every couple of weeks to stock up on supplies. And this week, hey, what's that? What is that? Oh, look at that. It's like a Star Wars Darth Vader logo. A Lego. Look at that. See that? Darth Vader Lego. What is that? $60. Oh. Not really into Legos, but that's pretty cool. Alright, that's enough goofing around. Let's just go buy what I need to buy. First off, I need some napkins. The Kirkland napkins here. The Kirkland brand is the brand that they sell exclusively here at Costco. Yeah. Kirkland, of course, is named after the city it's made in, Kirkland, Washington. So now, what do we need? We need pastries. And it's over here on the right side. Let's go get some pastries on the right side. Well, here are the blueberry muffins. Let's get one of these. Actually, we need to get 2 of these. Let's get 2 of these. This is $9.99 for 2. Let's get some bananas here. How about some of these wonderful... Oh, that's got a big bruise in it. Maybe this one here. This one's nice, huh? Hey, look, it's the captain. I thought the captain was dead. I know Tennille is still alive, but I heard somewhere that the captain is dead. Captain. Love will keep us together. Remember that song by the Captain and Tennille? I only remember because I thought I saw the captain back there. Where are the eggs? I need eggs. So let's go get some eggs. I think the eggs are here in the dairy section here. Yeah, dairy is where they have all the eggs and the milk. It's cold in there, so I better get ready for the cold. So here's the cold dairy section. Whew, cold in here, man. Let's go get some eggs. Where are the eggs, man? What do we got? The cage-free eggs or the brown eggs over there? I'm not sure. Maybe we'll get some of these eggs over here. Let's get some of these eggs in the back. Looks like in the back there's some nice eggs here that have been here for just for a little while. Let's go get some eggs. Here at Costco. Let's get some of this water here. This is the little bottles of water. I think it's better than the big bottles of water. Let's get about 2 of these and we'll be good. Let's get some teepee. Where are the teepee? Here's some teepee. Ooh, that's a lot of teepee. I need some teepee. Teepee for my bunghole.
I need TP for my bunghole!
Alright, we got some teepee for my bunghole. Now I just need some orange juice. And that's it. Just orange juice or some kind of juice. I try not to drink too much soda, so I drink juice, either orange juice or apple juice or mango juice or whatever kind of juice they have. Tropical juice, pineapple juice. I think it's over here somewhere. Okay, go. We got supplies here that might last, you know, a few weeks if I consume them in a conservative manner and not, you know, and not consume them wastefully. You know, just in moderation. Like maybe one of these muffins a day and maybe a banana a day. But the toilet paper, for some reason I use up a lot of toilet paper. So I need a lot of toilet paper. Here from Costco.
Not necessarily far.
Alright, thank you. Okay. Alrighty. Now we got a bump here. We got to climb up the bump without the camera falling. Can we do it? Maybe we can do it without the camera falling. There we go. Oh, oh, there you go. See? All right. See that? Steady as she goes, as they say. Now we got another bump, but we'll go ahead and avoid that bump by going around using the street. I always wonder sometimes if all this stuff will fit in my car, because I used to have a bigger car with a lot of room in the back, but the car I bought now is just like a regular car. And I guess I didn't really think that through when I bought this car. I just kind of bought it. Okay, put this in the car.